Good afternoon, sir. My name is Tan Pei Ling and my teammate is Rauda. Next. Uh, First, I will present background of the Bear Bank. The full name of Bear Bank is Malayan Banking Berhad. Bear Bank founded in 31 May 1960 and the founder is Pu Ken Fuat. The headquarter Bear Bank is in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Bear Bank operates in over 18 countries. The main business activity and service is retail banking, Islamic banking, and digital banking and cash. Next. Next, I will explain how does the Malaysian financial environment influence their banks. First, regulation. Bank Negara Malaysia (BNM) regulate the overnight policy rate (OPR). When OPR increase, their bank raise loan and mortgage interest rate. For example, during COVID-19 pandemic, Bank Negara Malaysia reduced OPR multiple times to support economy recovery. Their bank had to lower lending rate, reducing its interest revenue. Second is financial institution. Their bank partnership with Etiqa Insurance and Takaful. For example, if a borrower with a 500,000 mortgage loan die, Etiqa Insurance or Takaful will cover the outstanding loan balance to preventing Bear Bank from incurring a loss. Third is capital market. Bear Bank is the largest bank and publicly firm regularly participate in the capital market by issuing bonds and sukuk. Sukuk enable Bear Bank to require Sharia convenient investor and diversity its funding source beyond regular loan. Okay, next. Next is role of financial manager executive in Bear Bank. The primary role is financial planning. Bear Bank develop yearly and multi-year financial strategy, setting revenue and profitability goals while keeping expenditure under control. For example, Bear Bank M25 plus strategy 2025 vision. The second role is investment decision. Bear Bank finance executives diversity investment to maximize profit while minimizing the risk. Okay, the third role is risk management. Bear Bank finance executive evaluate, monitor, and minimize financial risk, including credit risk to guarantee that borrower can return their loan. Then I will pass to Rauda to continue.
My name is Rauda, and for my part, it's actually for few questions and also conclusion. Okay, for the few challenges that Maybank has already faced, the first one will be digital services disturbance, where a lot of their accounts, including or related with Maybank, all of them cannot be used. All the customers are really furious because they cannot use their accounts in Maybank. They cannot enter their debit card. They cannot use the ATM. They cannot use the online banking. Every single thing that's related to Maybank, there's a huge disturbance. Even if they went to the Maybank itself, there's actually a chaos that's happening over there. A lot of customers complaining why they can't use their accounts, why can't they pay online banking, why can't they pay with their cards, why can't they cash out. So this is the first, like a lot of chaos that's happened is the digital services disturbance. Next one will be the event solution in Islamic finance. As been said that Maybank is not really Islamic friendly for the past few years, but they will eventually in the recent years. They're not really friendly when it comes to Sharia and everything. They're not really friendly when it comes to Islamic way of finance. It's way more Western finance. It's not really complete. It's not really like relatable with what Islamic or Islam people usually would are. It'll be like scamming or everything that's not related for like religion. So this is the most you can see it's a big chaos that's happening, which is the Islamic finance. Okay, the next one will be, okay, the suggestion for improvement. There's a lot of suggestion for how a bank could improve in either financial management and financial development. The first one will be monitor and adapt the market trends. Okay, it means that when you were trying to monitor the trends that's happening in the market, the preferences of the customers, trying to make a better service or invent a new service or product that's actually going to fit with the new trends, with the new customers' preferences, because there's a lot of like market trends that's happening every single year, might not every single month. So by monitoring it as crucial as possible, they will be inventing new ways that's actually going to satisfy their customers, especially the loyal customers of Medan. The next one will be enhancing the digital infrastructures and data analysis. It's also related to the monitor one, where they actually try to be more friendly, or like try to be more focused on what digital is in their own accounts. As been said before, the problem that maybe have been gone before is the digital, where they can use their ATM and everything. But by enhancing the digital infrastructures and the data analysis, making it a much more vast memory, much more vast, meaning like it's been sure that if they're enhanced the digital or the brick wall and everything, there will certain that with you can say there's no problems anymore, no problems with the ATM, no problems with the accounts. So that's been enhancing. It's much more important because there'll be hackings and everything, analyzing the data, knowing what the preferences in the trends. It is very important for them to upgrade or enhance their security, and also the analysis to collect the data and everything. That's actually very crucial and important. The next one will be boost partnership or collaboration, where the suggested for improvement is actually, this is actually related for a bank management or a bank company, where if they try to boost their partnership with other company or other advanced with another company that is actually advanced in technology and abilities, they'll be try to be adaptable. All of our banks actually try to adapt and monitor and adapt to their own company, because that's what finance really are. If they learn, for example, if they learn for that one company how they work, how they vend their products, how they vend their accounts and everything, they can try to adapt that to their own bank or their own company. That's what it means to boost partnership. The more that they try to boost partnership, the more knowledge there will be for them to adapt. Okay, the next one will be, okay, the conclusion of our research on Maybanks. Actually, when it comes to banks in Malaysia, especially with Maybank, because that's what our point are, they're trying their hard ever since the hardship, which is the challenges they have been before. They're trying to be a better finance facility for the customers, especially for the loyal one, because we want them to be able to trust what Maybank is trying to offer. They also have to be trustful enough to keep by Maybank to keep their assets safe. So they have already proven how to adapt to given situations. For example, the challenges they've been for, their solution they're trying to do. They try to adapt, they try to give as much a solution for a certain problem. That's all for my part. Thank you.